Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan and welcome to the channel. Now, it is the holiday season, so I do want to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, happy Kwanzaa, Hanukkah. Even if you're a naturalist, we do have the winter solstice, so there's a lot of reasons to be celebrating. Now, as the saying is, we've had quite the Santa rally over the last month now. The market is continuing to rise, so in tonight's video, I wanted to give you a couple stocking stuffers so that way you could potentially make some money this holiday season. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. Now, before we jump into the stocks, I do just want to give you a heads up on where we're at in the market right now. You can see the major indices are all up today. The momentum to the upside is continuing. However, look at the MTI in overbought territory right now at 1.64. This is historically when the market does typically get top heavy. Now, that being said, the one warning I do have going forward, if you're going to be a bull in this market, is we can see that price action of the VectorVest composite has risen over the last 5 days. However, we take a look at RT and BSR, those two are actually trending lower than we were 5 days ago, thus creating a divergence between the price of the VectorVest composite and our proprietary market timing indicators. So that being said, if you do buy any positions right now going forward, I do suggest doing a buy right, which is buying 100 shares and selling a call against it. So that way you have some insurance in place, because with the MTI so heavy right now and we're approaching the end of the year, the market could experience a little chop around the first of the year when people are either buying or selling due to tax reasons. Now, this is what we've been waiting for. Here are my stocking stuffers, or my top 4 picks at the moment right now. And I've got some diversity when it comes to these stocks, a little bit for everybody here. Now, let's take a look here. We got Genie Energy, or GNE. It is up a little over 2% today. It is undervalued. Do like that here. Look at this, RV and RS right now above 1. So great fundamentals when it comes to this company. But look at this RT relative timing. It's at 1.9. So this is a parabolic move to the upside and more of a momentum trade. The reason why I like this momentum trade is because the company has great fundamentals. In addition to that, we do have a buy rating here. And look at the growth rate earnings at 24%. Now, the more conservative approach on this list would be the Salesforce here, or CRM, is up again today, almost 2% here. But look at this, undervalued company here, RV and RS, great fundamental ratings, RT relative timing, and an uptrend right now, does have the buy rating. And the GRT, or the company's ability to grow its earnings, is astonishing right now at 32%. Now, next on the list, we do have ARM here. If you've been watching this channel, you know I've been talking about this stock since it was about $55 a month ago. We can see here it's now trading just above $70, up almost 5% today, or almost $3 here. We do see that it is overvalued position right now. RV is above 1. However, the RS, or relative safety, does come in soft at 0.8. So this stock is a little bit riskier than the other two that we mentioned. However, look at its trend right now, in an uptrend, and there's a lot of magnitude in that uptrend. So I do like this for a good swing trade and capturing some of the last momentum in the Santa rally. Also, this position does have a buy rating right now, but look at its GRT, highest in the list at 37%. Love this company here. I think this is a great long-term play, but if you are thinking long-term, I do have a feeling the stock will have a healthy pullback at some point here in the near future. But in the meantime, great momentum play to play this market to the upside right now. Now, the last position here is CCCC, or C4 Therapeutics, up over 5% today. If we take a look at its value and price right now is at 4.5. Our valuation just under $2. So this company is greatly overvalued. In addition to that, look at its RV and RS relative safety here. Very poor fundamental ratings. However, look at the RT relative timing at 1.2. Does have an uptrend right now, and there's a lot of magnitude behind this trend. Now, the C4 Therapeutics was in the news about a week ago, announcing a partnership with Merck, sending the stock soaring. So now that we've actually taken a look at these 4 positions, let's jump into the graphs and see what the chart is trying to tell us. All right, now that we're in the graphs, we're looking at a 6-month time span right now. The 2 charts I do have down below is EPS and the growth rate and earnings. That's the first thing we're going to focus on the 6-month time span. And once we get through this, we're going to jump in and focus on price action. If we take a look here, Genie Energy here, EPS and GRT on a steady, nice rise here over the last 3 months. Do like that a lot here. CRM, same scenario here, EPS and GRT, nice, steady stair-step fashion from lower left to upper right. So that's the theme that I have going for all of these stocks here, that their earnings per share and GRT would have to be rising consistently over the last 3 months. Now that being said, let's focus on price action here. We got Genie Energy, which is a utility company. We see the price action here, bulls taking the charge, the 3 and 8 clearly in our favor here. Price action diverging away from this 20-day exponential moving averages. So I like all the moving averages in our favor right now. In addition, we do have a buy rating across the top here over the last 1 month. Now, just to confirm price action to the upside, if you're not already in this position, I just want to take out yesterday's high at 29.16. to confirm momentum to the upside once more. Now the second position here, CRM or Salesforce, nice steady price action from lower left to upper right, just hitting a new high today. I don't like this upper wick here, so we are seeing some selling pressure coming in from today's high. So if you're already in this position, the 3 is above the 8, so we're still maintaining it. However, if you're not already in this position, you're looking at buying, I would take out today's high just to confirm this momentum to the upside, just because we are seeing some selling pressure this morning. Now the next position, we have ARM here, nice steady price action over the last 1 month. We do see a lot of selling pressure coming in yesterday. Now, if you're not in this position, definitely want to take out yesterday's high, this upper wick here, which is the current level of resistance. And if you already own this position, look, the moving averages, they're in our favor right now. Your first warning sign is going to be this 3 crossing below the 8-day moving average, or if the buy rating that's been given over the last month goes to a hold. In addition, we do have a trend line forming from candlesticks prior. We do see the price action staying above this trend line. So just keep an eye on that, as that trend line does coincide with that 20-day EMA quite nicely. Now, the last position this evening is going to be C4 Therapeutics. Like I said, big news coming out with their partnership announcement last week of a potential cancer treating drug. Now, this is a very news-based position, so if you are going to get into this position, there is a chance for huge profits, but just keep your ears to the news. Now that being said, we do see price action here skyrocketing from $1 all the way up to $8 here. A lot of selling pressure coming in here at $8.37. However, we are seeing lower wicks forming here. But one thing I do like is that 3 is still above the 8-day exponential moving average. And look at today's candlestick. We took out yesterday's high and the prior day's close. So I'd like to see the high taken out from 2 days ago at 512 just to confirm momentum to the upside here. I'd give up that 50 cents worth of profit just to make sure I'm on the right side. Now, if you do get in this position here, we can see resistance coming at this level here. So let me scoot the graph back. My profit target is going to be around $7.15 if I'm riding this position to the upside. Or if I see momentum loss by the 3 crossing below the 8 would be another warning sign to potentially protect profits or mitigate losses. All right, I hope you enjoyed tonight's presentation. I was able to give you everything from a conservative style to a very speculative style of investing, so that way you can make money this holiday season. Now, that being said, I do just want to wish everybody a safe holiday season. And if you did enjoy these stocks and see potential to make money with these positions, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Good night. Now, during this holiday season, one of the best things you can treat yourself or a loved one to is going to be financial freedom. Now, if you want to start that journey towards financial freedom, VectorVest is the place to be, and no better time is now. During this holiday sale, we'll have selected courses up to 70% off. In addition, we'll take $100 off your order at checkout. Now, in addition to steep discounts to our courses, we are also offering the 99-cent trial for a limited time.